So here are Kara's packing cubes. Remember I said I put all of the dirty clothes and the 2 largest ones. So since today is her day, quick and fast and easy, she could just throw these right on in. And if you notice, I didn't roll the clothes coming back. I folded them and just compressed them down, put them on top of each other, right? So right on in. So Kara is good to go. Look at the bathing suit rocking. And throw the packing cubes right in there with it. Boom. It's Miss Maureen Day. Yes. Kara is out. She does not mess around. First of all, why is my welcome all the way in the middle? It slid over some kind of way, but I went around like through the garage because we could hear the birds while we were standing in the foyer. I think I got another nest. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. I think this is it right here. Oh no. I'm not going to disturb it though. But I need hubby to move this one over. Girl, that look crazy. But yeah, I could hear the birds from inside. She was chirping.
What's that?
She must have flew off, but that's why we walked through the garage. I didn't want to, disturb her. Oh my goodness. I didn't think it was that. I thought he was going to have to open the door. I could have did that. Okay. Thank you. It is?
Yeah, you can see it from back here.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay. I won't disturb it. So Sid's day now, same with her. She has her pink cubes right here, so she's going to throw those in. Yes, bathing suits, everything going in. She's so funny. Throwing them on in. Yeah, wash the bags. So they'll be all ready, good to go for the next, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
She still has some things in her red laundry bag, so we're going to half it up. Okay. I just got a new order of the Nespresso capsule, so now that I've had it for a little bit, I've been able to sample so many of them. I feel like these are my faves in here now, so yes on that. Oh, nice. So here are the ones that they give you as samples, right? I didn't think I was going to get 2. Oh, so that's nice. The Melozio and the Melozio decaf, right? So yeah, nice. The white chocolate and strawberry. I grabbed another one of these. I'm feeling that. And it's limited edition. I don't know how long it's going to be around. The Vita, right? This is the one with the B12 in it. So I'm feeling that. And the half caffeinato. That's that one with the black and the red swirl. Oh, yeah, you can kind of see it in there. Yes, on that. The Solalio, I'm feeling this one. Here's the Melozio, right? The Voltesso. This is an espresso. You could tell because it's shorter, so it's smaller. And then the Costa Rica and this other one over here, the half caffeinato, is for the bestie. She asked me to grab these. I asked her, oh, that's her, she ringing the bell, if she wanted anything while I was doing the order. So I think she said her hubby loves the Costa Rica and she likes that one. So yeah, this is my refill. It was time. So these are the ones that I'm feeling. I like El Salvador. I like that one. I like Costa Rica too. Colombia, not Costa Rica. Colombia is the one I also like too. But these are what I'm rocking now. So I'm going to fill up my container over there. Yes. So here we go right here. I put half in, right? And I took the other half to work with me. So yes, perfect. You know, I use that faithfully, yes. But Miss Girl, oh, let me take this off. Oh my goodness. So every time I open this thing, usually all the sugar honey iced tea falls out. So it's just really pushed in here, crooked and everything. I mean, this doesn't make any sense at all. So I just want to start pulling everything out and just get it, just get it back in here nice and neat. Like I had it stuck in here so that it wouldn't fall. So it's a whole thing in here. Oh my goodness.
You give me this energy.
I was finding stuff in here I forgot I had, like that copper liner from the DT. I forgot all about it. And little bit of parchment paper left in the box, right? The box needs to go. I just took the parchment paper out so I could put it in a drawer. I love those oven mitts. I love them so much. I have so many. Look at that. I thrifted that. I forgot it was in there. Girl, look at them. I guess I need new tongs. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I found that in there. That might as well go on the oven, right? Swing the camera around. Swing it on back. So yeah, let me tell you, I this makes me feel so good. If my mind is cluttered, if my home is cluttered, I'm anxious. I'm extremely anxious. And so I did a brain dump and I just wrote some things down, like what needs to happen. It's warm now, right? The BBQ is about to get rolling and things. I just want things kind of in order. So I need to be able to get aluminum foil without everything falling out of the cabinet. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just kind of going to go around the kitchen. It's only a few cabinets I need to do under the sink, which will probably be in the next video. But I definitely need to get the cabinets and things in order. And they're not crazy either. It's just clutter. It's messy. And I needed to handle it. Look at all of this. This is all that came out of there. Oh my goodness. So that's Sydney slamming doors. I don't know what she's doing over there, but let's get it organized just a little bit. You know, I always say if hubby can't find it, if he can't see it, then, we get more stuff, things get pushed to the back. Well, this is an example right here. And it's kind of my fault because I have all these things, but then I think I started the pushback, right? Because I'm the one that puts these things away. So I think I kind of just got frustrated and was just tossing stuff in there and just forgot about my whole organization like I'm crazy or something. Miss Girl. So these are all of the pie holders and oven mitts and things that I grabbed from the DT, right? All the Disneys. And I'll go through these just like all the other things, but I just needed it to be nice and neat in here. So yes, on that, I'm excited. Just getting the last little bit of things in here and it's perfect. Very organized, right? Things are where I can see how much is rocking. So we are 100% golden now. Look at everything piled up nice and neat. I know what I have. So this right here is perfect for me now. So I need to get into the spice drawer here and then the cabinet down here where all of the storage, right? It's not crazy. It's just, it needs to be straightened up a little bit. So I want to do this quick and fast. I see the poultry is empty, right? I think I saw it. So let me throw that in there. You know what I mean? Just little things. It's just kind of this way, that way, and it's driving me crazy. And then down here, it just, oh my goodness. It's kind of out of hand. I mean, now when I go to pull something out, everything falls out. This is slanted. You know what I mean? It's not rocking really. I still have some Christmas things like I need to. I mean, that can stay. It's just a mess. And then I got seasonings kind of, the overflow. I was getting ready to say flow over. The overflow, right, of the seasonings and things. So, I try to keep everything together. Sydney dropping stuff. I'm trying to keep, oh my goodness, it's the whole thing. I try to keep everything together, right? The tops with the bottoms. I'm not using more than that. You know what I mean? So that's just the way it rocks in here. But yeah, it needs to be just straightened up a little bit. Actually, a lot of bit. So yeah, I'm gonna do the spice drawer first though. The little jars in here, remember I grabbed them from Amazon. They come with the labels and all, and the blank ones where you can, write what you need on there too, right? But I got a couple different things going on in here, and that's okay. It just needs to be in order. And my spice jars, the clear ones from Amazon, they're in alphabetical order. So I always know I'm not searching, oh my goodness, where is, the poultry seasoning, right? I know where it is because I put it in alphabetical order. So that's what you see me doing, putting the things back like where they belong. The adobo, A, was all the way on the other side. Why? You know what I mean? So I was just straightening everything up. And then all the things that are different, are kind of in the middle or going off to the side. All of my Trader Joe's is, all the way up top. So they're organized. Some things needed to come out. Miss Hershey girl rocking. And this is me in the morning, early in the morning before work. So Miss Girl, I am always doing something. I am a morning person. So anything that really needs, like, I'm going to give it my all is usually in the morning. So I don't know, but yeah, it just makes me feel good. You know what I mean? It gives me that I accomplished something. And that takes all of my anxiety away, honestly. If I'm being honest with you, that's exactly what it does. So I had two of the same thing, but, from two different places. That was funny. So yeah, everything is everything in here. It's looking good. So I am hoping that this gives off a little bit of motivation, right? To clean out a drawer or a closet or, to declutter something, right? The cabinet, which the cabinet underneath, I'm not going to get to in this video. I didn't want it to be too long. So that's going to be the first thing I do in the next video, probably. I need to get under the kitchen sink, just things. I truly did a brain dump and I'm really satisfied about the progress. You know what I mean? So, and it's at my own pace. So, yeah, you guys know I'm pretty put together, except for my Monica room, right? But yeah, I am truly satisfied on the progress I'm making. I'm decluttering my mind as well. So this is a lot better. I couldn't find a couple things. Hubby's like, where's the oregano? You know what I mean? So everything was kind of in a disarray. So yeah, now we are good to go. Yes.